The doctor's on duty. Time to fix the GMC. I wonder how you clean this. I have to watch the video. Maybe take a toothbrush. Anyways, we have some good news and some bad news. Alternator is working, but we went to the junkyard and we took off one at the last minute, the best one I could find. Remanufactured in Mexico. You can't read it. There it goes. But it's heavy. Not like the starters. The starters weigh nothing. But it's different. The doctor is better every day. Thank you. But the plug, different. It's 2 pins, but not the same. So, didn't pay too much for this, luckily. Have to get another one. The belt, Bando, very good. Hello. Very good condition. But the doctor has another one, almost the same length, but what he's doing is checking the pulleys. Makes a little noise, spins a little long, not too bad. The longer it spins, the more worn it is. This one, junk. And the one for the air conditioning down here. Could we zoom in? Yes. Nice and grainy, like my cereal. The air conditioner one, I think it's good. I think it's good. Very good. What else we doing? We're taking off the cowl cover, take out all the leaves and all the junk. We change the battery tray. We have to get some bolts to put back the plate here. We have the bolts. What else we doing? Look at the moldings, broken. We change the bottom of the seats. All nice and organized. Pin plugs. Use light bulbs for the cheapskate from the old country. Hello! Lots of spare light bulbs, cheapskate. Even though rock auto was cheap. New fuel filter, $5. Guess where it's made? Ching Ching, China! $8 made in Taiwan. $18 made in USA. We have a new glove box cover. Not scratched. Like this one, the paint is peeling on the GM after 15 years. We have more junk. Diesel cluster. Vice grip, sunroof cover to change. Got a nice one. All kinds of little... Oh, look! No, it's the wrong one. The doctor got a good pulley. Not the right one. Changes the struts. Got some nice seats. Wait, this is not my seats. This is for the Jolly Green Giant. And the doctor got a seat. Oh, wait a minute. Look. 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 Look how pretty. When you go to the junkyard, the molding on the GMC is different from the shabby. Look at this. Look at this. What do you think? It's not the best, but it's not bumping through junk. 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 Ah, the kiddies are playing. Oil filter for the Z71 Mercedes. Lots of good junk. Battery for the Mercedes. Extra strut. The doctor changed the strut. Now it stays up by itself. Very good. Hello. What else I'm playing with here? More junk from the junkyard. Little pieces and parts. The doctor is like a little kid in a candy store. Need some knobs. Oh, I think I have a knob in the pocket. These are always breaking. Cheaper to get them from the junkyard. This radio is playing okay, nothing special. It's not the Bose. But the one in this 3/4 ton junk. It sounds like a little tin can. Fix this. Put on the bumper. Okay, the doctor listens to the news. The water pump. He had the water pump in his hand at the junkyard. He forgot to take the water pump. Oh, what a dummy. A new one, $75. He even had the fan attached. Walked away. 2 hours away driving. Forget about it. Okay, I fix. Thanks for watching.